Hey traders, after so many requests from you guys, I decided to make a video about SMRT ALGO once more. SMRT ALGO is a platform that has developed Tradingview indicators to help you with your trading. Now, you know that trading is complicated and sometimes you fail to find setups. That is why SMRT ALGO has developed these indicators to help you with your analysis, to help you with your trading. These indicators draw levels on the charts like support and resistance, supply and demand zones, also using entry and exit points, as I will show you guys in a moment. Now, if that is something that you like, don't skip the video, watch the video from the beginning to the end, and also give a like on the video. If you're new here, subscribe and share your comments in the comment section down below. Now guys, without wasting time, let's go onto the screen and I'll show you guys how to set up SMRT ALGO, where to find it, and how to use it on Tradingview. Let's get started, guys. As you can see, I am on the SMRT ALGO website. Now, SMRT ALGO comes with so many indicators that you can use on Tradingview to help you with your trading. As you can see here, these are the examples of the indicators that you'll find on Tradingview once you sign up and get yourself a package with SMRT ALGO. SMRT ALGO with redefined premium technical analysis tailored to support every trader's unique style. Our intuitive workflows, powerful trading tools, and state-of-the-art indicator features are designed to enhance your trading. I'll show you guys how to add these on Tradingview so that you can also see these same indicators on your charts. Now remember that SMRT ALGO is not free. You cannot access it free of charge, okay? You have to pay for it. To pay for SMRT ALGO, you'll go here on this page. I'll leave the link in the description of this video and the first pinned comment. You can see the packages that they offer right here. They offer a monthly plan, they offer a lifetime plan, and also a quarterly plan. The lifetime one would be the best value for your money, as you get all the indicators in one package and you'll be able to save. As you can see here, the discounts are 67% off. For quarterly, it's 50% off, and for monthly, if you go and use this code right here, which is running right now, they have a sale of 25%. You will still be able to get a discount even with this package of $87 a month. So to make your purchase, just click on the link in the description of this video, and then you'll come to this page right here, and then you can be able to choose a plan and get started with SMRT ALGO. You can pay securely using Stripe, you can use MasterCard, and you can also use Visa and American Express. You can go to this page also and you'll be able to see the guide that helps you to set up your SMRT ALGO. This video is also available on YouTube. You can just go to this page and you'll be able to watch the video. I want to take you to Tradingview so that I can show you how to set up the SMRT ALGO suite. Here on Tradingview, as you can see, this is a plain chart on Tradingview. So what you want to do first is you want to go here, like up here, and then you want to log out. Then you sign back in on your Tradingview. This will work whether you are using Tradingview Premium or you're using the free version. It will work the same way, okay? So first log in and then log out again, and then you'll come back here. Clear all the indicators that you have so that you have a plain chart right here. Then after you've done that, just go to indicators up here, and then if you've made your payment from this page right here using the same email that you use on Tradingview, if you've not yet paid for a package with SMRT ALGO, you will not be able to see this invite only menu, but if you've paid for it, then you will be able to see invite only. Now, these are some of the indicators that come with SMRT ALGO. You have the Pro version 4, you have the reversal finder, you even have a swing, and you have the scalper bot. Yeah, but I am going to just concentrate on this Pro version 4 to show you guys how it works. I'll click on Pro version 4 once, and then I'll load it on the chart. I'll have it already here on the chart, so I'll just show you. When you load it onto the chart, this is what you will see. All right, what I am going to show you now is how you can set it up to get it ready for you to be able to find some setups with it. All right, so you just click on the settings button to bring you up in here. Okay, so you can choose whether you want to use it for scalping or swing trading. All right, so the only thing I'll want you guys to change once you have access to the indicator is just come here and uncheck this reversal cloud like this, and then just click OK. Now when you do that, these two bands here will disappear, the bottom band and the top band, so you'll only have the entry points and the exit points, as you can see right here. Here we had entry point and then exit in TP1 and also TPT should have been hit right here. As you can see, the signals that this indicator generates. Now remember that this is not 100% accurate. Do not rely on this 100% of the time. Do your analysis and let this just be a tool that helps you with your analysis. Remember guys also that this is not financial advice, okay? I am just sharing with you what I see to work for me well. If you want financial advice, please seek services of a qualified financial advisor so that you make informed decisions in this risky business. Any information you get on the channel right here, it's just information based on my own perspective. It should not be taken as financial advice, right? So you can see some of the entry points, like here there was also an entry point right here, TP1, TP2, TP3 hit. So this indicator here is really good. To set it up more, you just come up here. If you want to change it to swing trading, come up here and then you change it to swing trading. If you want to hold like longer term trades, change it to swing trading and then you click OK. So it will give less entry and exit points. It is the same entry points but with a longer term perspective here. The current one here is actually a very good one, as you can see right here. All right, so that is for Pro version 4. Those are the settings that I personally use, but let me just show you guys another one, which is the supply and demand, which most of you guys were asking me for. Just come back to invite only, click supply and demand, and it should load onto Tradingview. As you can see, these are the supply and demand levels which are already plotted by the indicator. So if you've done your own analysis, you can just drop the supply and demand indicator onto Tradingview and it will be able to show you the supply and demand zones to help you make better informed decisions. As you can see, this one was a supply zone, price went down, went back to supply. This would be a good entry point. Like here, this would have been a very good entry point right here. If you put an entry here, stop loss above, and then you target maybe 1 to 2 like here. So this would be a very good entry. Even this one would have been a good entry. You can see price went down, went back up. This would be a good entry still. This is a demand right here. As you can see, price goes up, comes back to demand, and then this would be a good entry point right here. You can see stop loss around here and then TP up here, as you can see. So this supply and demand indicator, it will help you with your analysis, guys. So for this one, you don't need to change any settings, just leave the settings at default. So the final one I want to show you guys is this smart money toolkit, this one here. It also comes with SMRT ALGO. So when you load that one on the chart, it will show you the change of character, break of structure, liquidity sweep, as you can see here. This one also, you don't need to change any settings. You just leave it at default and it will be able to plot for you all these values on Tradingview, as you can see right here. So if you use these indicators in combination, to aid you with your trading. This also comes with a dashboard. As you can see, it shows you the trend of the market from the daily time frame to the 15 minutes chart. So you can see that GBP USD, it is showing that all these time frames are bearish. This is really helpful, especially if you're using the one candlestick strategy, because instead of you trying to find like the trend by yourself, you can just look at this dashboard. It will show you whether the trend is bearish or bullish. All right, so that is the one for smart money toolkit. It is also included in the SMRT ALGO suite. The other one you guys have been asking me for is the Pro version 3, which is the most popular one here. As you can see, it has 2.6k users. You can click on this one so that we can see how it works. Now Pro version 3 and Pro version 4, they are similar. The Pro version 3 is just the older version of the Pro version 4. For this one, you can also do the same settings, like you can use the same settings. You don't have to change much. Like you can see here, the settings will still remain the same. This one does not come with a cloud. All right, so you just leave the settings the way they are. Do not change the settings for this, but this will still give you entry points which can help you with your trading. All right, guys. So if you decide to sign up with SMRT ALGO, use the link in the description for you to be able to get yourself one of these packages. Then you will have access to the indicators on Tradingview. So guys, if this is something that you like, this is something that you see can be helpful in your trading, use the link in the description. Go and sign up and get yourself started with SMRT ALGO. It has really good features that I see can be very helpful, especially if you're trying to navigate this confusing world of trading. All right guys, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.